In this next question, we got a height of 11 centimeters. The hypotenuse is 15 centimeters. We've got to work at the base, which is y. So first of all, let's label our diagram. So opposite the right angle is always the hypotenuse, which we call A. Now the other two sides can be labeled as B and C in any order. So I'm going to label the bottom one as B and the height as C. So now let's start putting in our values under the formula. So A squared will be equal to 15 squared. So here's A here. Here's A, 15 squared equals B squared. Well, B here is my Y. So that'll be equal to Y squared plus C, which has a value of 11 squared. So in this particular question, what we want to work out is the Y here. Now we need to rearrange the right hand side of the equation to make Y the subject. So Y is being squared first, and then it's been added by 11 squared. So you move the last action first. So opposite of adding 11 squared is to minus 11 squared. So we have 15 squared minus 11 squared. That will give us Y squared. And as we said before, we don't want Y squared, we want Y. Okay, so you move the squared over. Opposite of squaring something is to square root it. So that says 15 squared. That's, sorry about that up there. Let's get rid of that if we can. Okay, let's make it worse. Okay, that's 15, folks. Okay, right, let's go back to our pen. That number is 15. Okay, 15 squared. Now we need to put this into our trusted calculator, and that should help us work it out. So let's grab our Casio. So square root of 15 squared now, minus. So before we were doing adding, now we're doing minusing. Minus 11 squared, and that gives an answer of 226. Press the SD button, and that gives us 10.198. I'm just writing on this side for convenience. 10.198. Now we need to round that off to one decimal place. So we can stop here, look at the next number. Because it's 5 or more, you add 1. So my final answer is 10.2 centimeters is the answer for Y. And that's how we work out a length. That is not the hypotenuse, not the A. So we have to do a bit of work, be a rearranging, and then we can work it out.